What is up, everybody? Back with another pair of Lowheat. This is a pair of Lowheat that dropped a year ago. So I realize not many people are probably going to click on this video. So if you are watching this, I really do appreciate you. Click the subscribe. It's free. Only subscription left that's free in the world. So thank you. What are we reviewing today? We're reviewing the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG in yellow, ochre, black, and sail. This is grade school size, not my size. The lady picked these up at a Nike outlet for the low. Yes, these have been out for a year, but just wanted to throw up a quick little video, show you in hand how they look in case you're looking for some Jordan 1s, looking for some value sneakers that look hot. These might be the ones for you. Before we get going, like I said, subscribe. Check out my Lowheat show. We do it every week, every other week. Podcast, talk shoes, sneakers, streetwear, etc. Would appreciate you checking that out. And yeah. Anyways, here's the box. Comes in its own special yellow ochre box. And as I said, these were at the Nike outlet. Man, you can get some steals at the Nike outlet. I don't know about... Okay, steals might be... you can get some steals, depending on what you value. But, like, there's definitely some, retail heat there sitting at the outlet for discount, I should say. Let's say that. Some might not necessarily be steals. The steals are really on, like, the definite GR stuff that's not popular. But yeah, if you're near one, maybe check it out. Take a look. Here we go. The paper's all messed up because the checkout lady just really fumbled. Literally fumbled the shoes, fumbled the box, checking the size on these. And here you go. This is the grade school size. They didn't have them in like men's in her size in 5.5, so she went with the grade school size in 5.5. Sometimes kid sizes stuff, the quality is a little less than the full adult sizing. Here, I don't see that too much. It looks pretty good quality. They didn't skimp too much on the grade school, it looks like. You got this like nice tumbled leather, and this like, I don't even know if this is suede per se. Let's see if they say here. That's nubuck leather. Okay, so, okay. Just talks about the coloring process, but that's nubuck leather on the heel, the upper ankle, and the toe. The sail here is tumbled leather, as you can see. You got the ochre outsole, that sail midsole, and Nike Air on the nylon tongue. They come equipped, stocked with black laces, and it looks like there's some extra sail cream laces there, or off-white laces as another option. I don't know. I don't know what I would go with. I think it's a really clean colorway. I have, from a couple years ago, the black and pollen Jordan 1 highs. I bought for like a little over retail. Not a little, over retail. And yeah, that was a bad move. Haven't worn them yet. They definitely can get them below retail, but they're kind of in the same family as this. The yellow is more yellow than this ochre color. But I dig these. So she got these retailed for 180 in the men's sizing. In the adult size, 180. She got these at discount for 100, and that's kind of what they're going for. So if you look on like other sites, Foot Locker, Nike outlets, or StockX, they're all going for around that. And then on StockX, though, you got fees and stuff, so they're going to push north of 100 on StockX. But yeah, for 100, what they charge nowadays for Jordan 1s, 180, 200. The new Bread 85 band ones, those are going for they're selling those for 250. So if you can get a pair of Jordan 1s for 100 that are decent quality, I think that's a pretty good deal. It's a classic shoe. They might not be really popular now, but this is a classic, will stand the test of time. And 5-6 years from now, I bet these cycle back into being popular. 5-6 years, 7 years from now, Jordan 1 highs will be popular again. And now's the time to cop up. If you really like them, you can get stuff on sale, discount, cheap, below resale. You can get some like hype Jordan 1s, maybe lower than you used to be able to. Get some, ones you've been keeping your eye on, and will be way cheaper than trying to get them back when they're popular again in a few years. You'll be able to flex on people with different colorways or, sought after ones. You won't have to scrap and claw for sold out general releases because you'll be flush with a bunch of pairs. So I like these. I will always like Jordan 1s. I'm wearing right now the SB to Paris, Nike SB Jordan 1s, the New York to Paris edition. And like these brand new used to go for like 300. Now you can get them so cheap. It's crazy. But great shoe in general, the Jordan 1 High. I don't really have to tell you people that. But this is just an in-hand look in case you were curious. If you're looking for some cheap Jordan 1 Highs, qualities on these are pretty decent. So for $100, yeah, I don't think you can really go wrong. This colorway, very nice for pretty much all seasons. It's a summer color, it's a spring color, it's a fall color. Yeah, this will go with any earth tones, even maybe some, bright colors here and there to contrast. Really, yeah, dress them up how you want to dress them up. I like them. But yeah, that's pretty much all I got to say on them. Just a short little video. Again, these were out a year ago, so not many people are going to watch this video. I realize that's okay. I really appreciate those of you who are checking this video out. Yeah, I have an affiliate link to shop Champ Sports. Please use that. I would appreciate that. It doesn't cost you anything extra. It's not spam. It's just I get a little commission if you use my link to shop at Champ Sports. I'd appreciate that. Link will be in the description. And yeah, check out my Lowheat show where I talk everything that's happening in the sneaker, streetwear, fashion world that I want to talk about. And yeah, I'm going to be trying to hit on some hype drops coming up. So I'm not copping everything nowadays. Trying to be real selective, but man, there's some heat dropping this year in 2025, and I'll be going for a decent amount of it, and we'll see if I get lucky. And I would love for you to watch those videos if I do get lucky. So check these out at your outlets or online. Search them up, the yellow Ochres. And you can't really go wrong for $100 Jordan 1 High. I don't think. Solid choice for a shoe if you got $100 and you wanna freshen up the sneaker rotation. All right, peace.